morning students, again I am here, myself Alok Kumar, and today we will start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Media of Trapezium and Polygon. In RS Verba, it is chapter 18, and in NCERT, it is only exercise 11.2 of chapter 11. Okay dear? So, at first let's start with the definition. It is the geometry sector chapter. So as you know that in geometry there are many shapes. There are many shapes. So all the four sides, as you know that all the area surrounded by four sides is called quadrilateral. Okay. So trapezium is also a quadrilateral, but there is different property. It has different property. Now at first I am writing the definition of trapezium. Okay. And it is the first video of this chapter. At first, what is trapezium? What is trapezium? Okay, so a trapezium is a quadrilateral. A trapezium is a quadrilateral having trapezium is the shape of the quadrilateral, four sides. So it is a quadrilateral also. So a trapezium is a quadrilateral having only one pair of parallel sides. Having only one pair of parallel sides. Anyone that is the first and the second parallel side is the parallel, or these two sides are parallel. Okay. And its another pair is non-parallel. Okay. Now let's elaborate the property of trapezium with the figure. Okay. So let's see. This is the definition. Now I am drawing a figure of trapezium. If A, B, C and D, if A, B, C, D is the trapezium, and here you can see that A, B, C and D are the vertex of the trapezium. Okay, so now the topic is elaboration of trapezium. This diagram. Elaboration of trapezium with diagram. Okay. Now here you can see that ABCD is a trapezium. Here is ABCD is a trapezium whose two parallel sides are AB and DC, and AB and DC denoted by parallel sign. Parallel sign written at this for the parallel sign. So these two are the parallel side of the trapezium, AB and DC. As you can see, they both are straight line. It can never cross each other, and that's why it is parallel. But these two, when we will produce these lines, then it will cut in the infinite. It means that these two are non-parallel side and these two are parallel side. Okay. So now each of the two parallel side of trapezium. Each of the two parallel sides of trapezium. Each of the two parallel sides of trapezium is called its base. It means we can say that AB and DC are parallel sides. So AB and DC both are the base. If you are seeing from here, then AB will be base. If you will reverse the figure, then DC will downside, AB will upside, then DC will be the base. So we can say that hence AB and DC are the base of this trapezium. AB and DC are the base of this trapezium. Okay. Now, after that, in the same figure, if we will draw a perpendicular, from each vertex of the parallel side, that if you are drawing a perpendicular from D to AB and C to A, if it will be D to M and C to, then it is the perpendicular distance. And we know that in parallel side, all the distance between the two parallel sides on each point will be same, and it is called height. So this 2 is also the height. So here we can see that if we draw a perpendicular from D to AB and C to AB, then we can write DM perpendicular AB. It is the sign of the perpendicular. DM perpendicular AB, and we can also say that CN perpendicular AB. And we know that both distance will be same, and if you will mention DM and CN as H, it is the height. So we can say that DM is equal to CN is equal to H, and H is the height of the trapezium. H is the height of the trapezium. Okay. So this is the figure, and which we have just elaborated. Now, one more important point, that if the trapezium, if these two non-parallel sides are equal, then the name will change. That it is called isosceles trapezium. Okay, that is, we can write now in note we can mention that if two non-parallel sides of this trapezium, or we can say trapezium, if two non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Then it is called isosceles trapezium. Okay. So now after that there will be some more formula. There will be an formula of area of the trapezium. So what will be the area of the formula of trapezium? Now I am writing. We are not giving the figure. Now, formula of area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 into sum of parallel sides. It is the sum of parallel into H, means height. This one is the height. Or we can say, from the figure we can say that area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 1/2 and sum of parallel side. Then what is the parallel side? We have AB and BC. So we can write AB plus BC, and height is same H, so we can write this. So we can write it like this also. So these are the formula of the area of the trapezium. Okay, dear? So let's solve one question based on this formula. Okay. Now I am writing the question on the board. Now if the question is given, if two parallel sides of trapezium are of length 27 centimeter and 19 centimeter respectively. Okay, and distance is also given, and the distance between them is 14 centimeter. Distance between them, it means distance between the parallel sides. It means we can say that height is 14 centimeter. Then find area of trapezium. In this question, everything is given, so there is no need to draw the figure in this question only in this question. But if you are drawing, then there is no problem. Now I am drawing the figure ABCD is a trapezium. Now what is given at first line? Given first parallel side. If we will take first parallel side, this. Okay. We will show in the bracket is equal to 27 centimeter, and second parallel side AB is equal to 19 centimeter. We have taken DC why first parallel side because it is greater and this line is greater than this line, and that's why we have taken. And now distance between them means height is given 14 centimeter. So this is the height. Now we will use the formula. Now here we can write area of trapezium. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 1/2 sum of parallel side, that is we can write DC plus AB or AB plus DC also we can write into this. Now 1/2 DC is 27 plus 19 and into 8 is 14. Now 2 7 is 14. Now 27 plus 19 it will be 46 into 7. After you will multiply 46 into 7, you will get 320. And since it is area, so we will write the unit centimeters. So this is the area, like this we can find. Okay, here. Now student, again one more question of this term is this term. If only one parallel side is given and area is given, that is if one parallel side, or we can say that if we have to find one parallel side. Okay. Now the question is given. The question is given that the area of trapezium is 352 centimeters. It is given. Okay. And the distance between its parallel side, or we can say that and height is 16 centimeters. If one parallel side is 16 centimeter, if one parallel side is 25 centimeter, then find the other parallel. Find other parallel side. In this question, again we will use the same formula, area of trapezium formula. Yeah? And first we will write what is given. Given height of trapezium is equal to 16 centimeter. Now again draw a figure. If ABCD is a trapezium, AM is the height, that will be the height, and if AB is given, now we don't know that what is the value of the other parallel side. It will be bigger or smaller, so there is no need to draw a figure in this question. Okay. Now the height of trapezium is 16 centimeter. Now one parallel side is given 25 centimeter and area is also given. Is already given. According to question here we can write area of trapezium. If the value of area, that is area of trapezium value is given, then we will write the value here 352 centimeters. And in this case we will write the formula here, not after that. We can write the formula of area of trapezium just below the word. Okay, so area of trapezium formula we will write here 1/2 sum of parallel side into height is equal to 352 centimeter. Then 1/2 and sum of parallel side. This first side and second side. First side given 25. And here we can write other side into h. Height is given what? 16 centimeter equal to 352 centimeter. Now we reading the question on now here 2 is downside, 16 is outside. 2 here just 16. Now 8 is in multiple form. So you will go that side. Here what is there? 25 plus other side is equal to 352/8. Okay, if you go that side, then 25 plus other side equal to divide it 8 4 is 32 and 8 4 is 31. Then other side will be what? 44 minus 25, it will be 19 centimeter. So we can say that 19 centimeter will be the other parallel side. So in this case, area given, height given, one parallel side given, then we can solve it like this. Okay, dear? Thank you. So in next video we will discuss more questions or more concepts based on this topic. Okay, dear? Thank you.